Hi, this is John with WTI, and talking about one of my favorite sparkling waters is this Ice Blast Raspberry that I found. This guy tastes awesome. One of the things that I like about this is that I'm replacing sugary drinks as this is zero sugar, low calorie, and it even tastes great. So instead of running to the other sodas that are full of sugar and are not as a healthier choice as this one is, it's good because it has a high capacity. You drink and it just tastes great. Once you get used to it, drinking sparkling water is a great replacement and a great for a healthier option of all the beverages. So if you're just working and you need something to hang around with, or if you're just eating and you need something that is going to help you with calories intake, or you just want a flavored sparkling water that's going to do great for you, this one, the black raspberry flavor is great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.